Welcome to TechLeopard channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Windows startup menu not working on your Windows 11 laptop or PC. So at first, for this, what you have to do is just right click on your taskbar, then just open up Task Manager, expand this. From the left hand menu, you'll find this open navigation option. Just click on it and click on Processes. Then go to the search and search for Windows Explorer. When you find it, just click on it and click on Restart Task. This is going to make sure your Windows Explorer turns off and turns on again. And after that, click on the hamburger menu again. Then just go to Details. From Details, you need to search for Start Menu Experience. So just search for this app, Start Menu Experience Host. Just click on it and click on End Task. This is going to end task for the Start Menu Experience Host.exe and restart it again after like a few seconds. Then just close this. Then just go ahead and try to use your start menu and it should work. But if it still doesn't work, what you have to do is just go to your settings. Just go to settings. And then from the left hand menu, you're going to see accounts. Try to go ahead and create a different account, sign in with that, and your start menu should work. But even after that, it doesn't work, what you have to do is just go to Windows Update from settings. From here, make sure to click on Check for latest update and just give it some time to check for the latest update. If it comes back with an update, just update it to the latest version and hopefully your problem should be fixed. And then you can just close this out. But even after that, if that doesn't help you, what you have to do is just go to search and type CMD. Then just open up CMD. Then you have to paste one of these two commands one by one. Just copy the first one and paste it and hit enter. It's going to scan your system and fix the hardware changes and hardware malfunctions for you. And after that, just copy and paste the second command. It's also going to restore your system health. And after you have done all this, just go ahead and restart your computer and hopefully your problem should be fixed. And basically, that is how to fix Windows Startup menu not working on your Windows 11 laptop or PC. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.